Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wulan Rahmafani. In this occasion, I would like to present my thesis. But for the first, I would like to say thank you for Mrs. Nurdiana MPD as my supervisor, and then thank you for the examiners. Okay. The title of my thesis is The Effect of Collaborative Strategic Reading or CSR Strategy and Students Reading on Students Reading Comprehension at Islamic Senior High School Al-Karim. Okay, next. Background of the research. Based on the curriculum 2013 in Indonesia, especially in English subject, students at senior high school needs reading as a lesson to build their ability to read the English text such as to comprehension the main idea, supportive idea, meaning of the word, sentence, and the explicit and implicit text. It means that students at senior high school have the ability to reading comprehension. Based on the Bose and Found 1991, reading comprehension is a process of constructing the meaning by integrating the information provided by the author and the reader's background knowledge. It means that reading comprehension is constructing the meaning by the readers. And then or to have the ability in reading comprehension, we need reading strategy. According about 2006, defined that reading strategies as a mental operation or comprehension process that readers can choose and apply in order to make sure of what they read. It means that reading strategy is the one of the strategy to help the students in reading comprehension. And then one of the reading strategy is CSR strategy. This strategy was developed by Klinger and Found 1998. This strategy consists of 4 strategies. Okay, for the next is phenomena. Based on the phenomena that found, some of students hard to catch the meaning of the reading text, and then some of students difficult in identifying detailed information, some of students also difficult to find the main idea of the text, and then some of students have lack or weakness in vocabulary, and the last is some of students have a low memorizing to memorize the vocabulary. Limitation of the problem. Based on the phenomena, the researchers need to limit and focus on the effect of CSR strategy on student reading comprehension in descriptive text at Islamic Senior High School. And then the formulation of the problem. There are 3 formulations of the problem in this research. For the first is how is students reading comprehension before using CSR strategy, and then the second is how is the students reading comprehension after using CSR strategy, and the last is there any significant effect of using CSR strategy on students reading comprehension? Okay, next slide is the method of the research. For this research, the research design is pre-experimental design that's based on the Sugiono 2011, and then the time for take the research is July till the August 2021, and then the location at Islamic Senior High School Al-Karim, Tapung, and then the subject is 10 grade students of Islamic Senior High School Al-Karim, and then the object is the use of CSR strategy on students reading comprehension. For the operational concept, in variable X is using collaborative strategic reading. The procedure in teaching using CSR strategy, there are 4. Preview, click and clang, get the gist, and wrap up. And then for variable Y, students reading comprehension in descriptive text as follows. There are 5 indicators from reading comprehension. For the first is student ability to identify the main idea of descriptive text. And then the second, student ability to identify the detailed information of descriptive text. And then the third, the student's ability to understanding the vocabulary of descriptive text. And then the fourth is the student's ability to identify the reference of the descriptive text. And then the last is the student's ability to make the inference of the descriptive text. Okay, we come to the next slide, is population and sample. The population is 10th grade of Islamic Senior High School Al-Karim. Based on the we can see on the table that only one class, and then with the total students is 30. And then the sample, I'm using total sampling for this research. So the population is 30 students and the sample is 30 students. Technique of collecting the data. The researchers use a test as a technique of collecting data using one group pretest and post-test design. The technique of data analysis. The technique of data analysis. The data analyzed by using statistical analysis per sample t-test, and then the researchers will use eta squared to prove the data. Okay, in this slide we can see that the data of pretest of students reading comprehension before using CSR strategy, you can see on the slide. And then the next is the data of post-test students reading CSR strategy, students reading comprehension after using CSR strategy. In order to know the significant effect between pre-test and post-test score, the analysis was continued as follows. This is using per sample t-test to know the significant effect. Okay, if the significant value or a significant detail is lower than 0.05, so hypothesis alternative was accepted. But if the significant value or significant total is bigger than 0.05, so the hypothesis alternative was rejected. So based on the result, we can see that significant value or significant total is 0.00. It means that the significant value or significant total was lower than 0.05. It means that it can be concluded that hypothesis alternative was accepted and hypothesis null was rejected. Okay, that's from the result of the analysis. And then for the conclusion, there are three conclusions that we can conclude from the research. For the first is the students reading comprehension before using CSR strategy on the 10th grade of students at Islamic Senior High School Al-Karim was at enough category. And then for the second, the students reading comprehension after using CSR strategy of the 10th grade students at Islamic Senior High School Al-Karim was at good and enough category. And then the third, there is a significant effect of using CSR strategy on students' reading comprehension. From the calculated with eta squared was 0.30. Referring to the table of effect size guidelines, 0.30 was larger than 0.14. Thus, the effect size was categorized as the large effect. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for view this video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry if I doing the mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.